Hello everyone, welcome to the World Drone Market channel. In this video, we'll show you how to download Android apps on a computer and install them onto a remote controller. In this example, we'll use the SIYI MK32 remote controller to install the Skydroid FPV app, guiding you step by step through the entire process. First, you need to download the Android installation package on your computer. Open your browser, go to the Skydroid official website, find the Support section, then click Download, and locate the FPV software installation package. Copy the download link, open it in a new tab, and download the APK file to your computer. After the download is complete, the next step is to connect the device. Use a USB data cable to connect the remote controller to your computer. Once connected, a USB options prompt will appear on the controller. Set the USB mode to file transfer so that the computer can access the controller's storage. After setting this, the computer will recognize the controller as a storage device. Next, locate the downloaded APK file on your computer. You can copy or cut the file and paste it into the controller's storage. It is recommended to place it in the Download folder for easy access later. Once the file transfer is complete, safely disconnect the USB connection and unplug the cable. Then, on the remote controller, open the File Manager and navigate to the folder where the APK file was saved, such as the Download folder. Find the installation package file. Tap the APK file and follow the prompts to complete the installation. When installing a third-party app for the first time, the system may prompt you to enable Install from unknown sources. Simply follow the instructions to allow it. After installation, you can find and open the Skydroid FPV app on the remote controller and use it normally. By following these steps, you've completed the full process of downloading an Android app from a computer and installing it onto a remote controller. This method can also be used to install other APK applications. If you encounter any issues during the process, it's recommended to check the USB connection mode and ensure the file was transferred correctly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the World Drone Market channel. We'll continue to bring you more practical drone tutorials. See you in the next video.